Hey teachers! So welcome back to our channel. Ngayon naman, ang content naman natin is all about summative test for this school year 2024 to 2025 for quarter 1. So I know that most of you ay tapos na sa week 1 or week 2 ng kanilang mga lessons. So for now, I'm going to share with you yung ating mga sample summative test for all subjects sa grade 4. So since malatag curriculum na tayo, nagpalitan tayo halos ng mga laman. So yung mga dati natin, of course, pinalitan na natin, and we have now followed the new learning competencies or objectives which is aligned sa matatag curriculum. So in making a summative test, so magkapakita po tayo ng sample. Say for example for Science 4, quarter 1. So in making a summative test, we have to ensure, ayan po, buksan natin. So, again, we have to ensure na yung content niya or yung ating ready na summative test is of course my table of specification. Isa ito sa mga kailangan na inihahanda natin aside sa mga questionnaire. So, for example, dito, we have your sample summative test table of specification, and then when we do the specification or the TOS, dapat ay nandito yung certain skills according to the Bloom's taxonomy. May remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. So for this example, we have 25 questions sa science, and after that, of course, lalagay nyo dito yung learning competencies. Yan po, learning competencies. Then if done, lagay nyo po dyan. So, ba naman ito, of course, ilagay niyo yung pangalan nyo, prepared by, noted, or checked by your principal or master teacher. Then, sa baba, yan na po yung inyong questions. So, for example, here, we have here questions which will fall in about identifying Filipino and foreign scientists and their contributions. So, pinapakita po natin dito ang sample questions. Yan. So, for example, for number 1, so I think lahat naman tayo nakapag-lesson nito. For example, he lives in Batangas and discovered solar devices, compass, and Vigipone. So, that scientist we're referring to, for example, is letter A. Okay. So, this is an example. Okay? So, I hope this one will help you in making your summative test. So, 25 items po yan. And, dapat align siya sa inyong ginawang TOS or table of specification. Okay, so that's it. Yan po ang ating sample ng sa science. So, ito po ang ating summative test not only for science but for all subjects. We have science, math, MAPE, GMRC, Filipino, EPP, English, and AP4. So, don't forget in making your summative test, dapat po ito ay kayang-kaya ng ating mga estudyante. So that ma-achieve natin kung ano yung ating mga certain goals. So that's it for teachers. Thank you for watching, and if you want to get the soft copy, check nyo po yung description. Andyan po yung details. Nasa description po yung details. Follow for more or subscribe if you want to be always updated. Thank you for watching. God bless.